This plant was never taken lightly, and for good reason. Rue, strong, bitter, and unmistakable, it carried a reputation that made people cautious. For centuries, it was seen as something powerful, not just a herb, but a form of protection. In a time when people feared what they could not see or explain, rue became something they trusted. It was used to guard against harm, against negative forces, and against unseen dangers. People carried it with them, placed it in their homes, and used it in rituals. Passed down through generations, it was believed to create a barrier, a quiet shield between the person and whatever might threaten them. But rue was not gentle. It demanded respect, or it was not used at all. Its strong scent, its intense taste, and its powerful presence set it apart from other plants. It was not something used casually, it was used with intention. Because this was not just a plant. Over time, its meaning began to fade. Its presence remained, but its deepest story was slowly forgotten. And yet, in some traditions, rue is still held with the same respect, a reminder of a time when protection was not taken for granted. A plant once trusted to stand between people and the unknown, still growing, still remembered. Some plants are not just used, they are relied upon, they are respected, they are protection.